1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push the red star. Turn the yellow knob. Flip the green switch. Roll the blue dial. Red, yellow, green, blue,
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red, yellow, green, blue. This lion, elephant, what's that?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit, cat, and duck.
Good job.
Circle, triangle, square, heart, and star. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's Genevieve's Playhouse!
Whoa, look at this super awesome Pororo school bus. It's even got all of Pororo's friends. Oops, it's kind of heavy. See, there's more on this side too. And there's Pororo up front. Let's open up the left side and meet some of Pororo's friends. Here's Eddie the fox. He's really smart and loves to invent things. Eddie is orange. Now for Loopy. Loopy is a shy and sensitive pink beaver who loves to cook. Loopy is pink. Oh look, it's Krong the dinosaur. He can play the trumpet. Krong is green. Oh, it's Poby. I love Poby. He's a gentle polar bear who plays the drums. Poby is white. Here's all the friends on the left side of the bus. Now let's take a look at the right. Here's Rhodey the yellow robot. He's super strong and a loyal friend. Rhodey is yellow. Oh, how cute! It's Harry the hummingbird. He loves to sing, and Harry is purple. Whoa, it's Tong Tong the dragon. He has magical powers that don't always go as planned. Tong Tong is brown. And here's Petty the penguin. I think Petty and Pororo like each other, but they're both too shy to admit it. Petty has a purple coat. Okay, we're missing someone. There he is. Come on out, silly. Yay, it's Pororo. Pororo is a penguin that can play the electric guitar, and he is blue. Hey look, what's this? It came with another figure that we can make into anyone we want. I have an idea. Let's make Genevieve one of Pororo's friends. Look, we'll just use a round sticker. And it's Genevieve. I think she needs a little bling though, so let's add one of these gems. Genevieve likes pink, so I'll use one of these and put it on her shirt. So cool! Do you like it, Genevieve?
Yes, I do!
Genevieve wants to show us something. I wonder what it is.
Whoa, it's playground! Absolute! Whee!
Can Poby go down the slide?
Okay. Whee!
Whoa!
That's my turn. Wow! Be careful, Haley. Whee! Whoa! Sure, people swing go down slide. Oh, it's outrageous. Whee!
Was that fun, Genevieve?
Yes, I did. I got around. Oh, it's so fun. But let's put everybody back in the bus.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Let's put JB away here for it.
Can you close the bus up? The other side.
Let's count to 10.
You want to count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, guys.
Great job, guys.
Let's open it in the window. Let's play Crown the Dinosaur. Right here, our friend. We'll put a friend here. A fox. If he gets Loopy, he wants a coat. Let's Loopy. Loopy. A friend.
You go. There you go. You want to close the window and get the other side?
Yeah! One. plus 3
Equals
equals 4.
4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good job.
Let's open the window.
Okay.
Now it's my turn. Tom Tom the dragon. Yellow robot. Sit down. That's not playtime.
It's not playtime. It's time to get on the bus.
Harry Herbert.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always remember, you are awesome.
That was fun.